Hello, welcome to Caiv. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going over technique for a side plank. Side planks are an amazing exercise because they work not just our shoulder stability, not just our core stability, but they also really work our glute med and therefore our hip stability. Okay, we're going to start really basic. So we're going to the side. Knees are stacked. I want the hip and knee to be aligned, and then our hip and shoulder will be aligned as well. So basically I have a straight line here, shoulder to hip to knee. Not in front, not extended behind, all in line. My elbow is going to come right underneath my shoulder. Not far out, that's going to suck. Right in underneath. And then my head, I'm going to tuck my neck back. Okay, tuck that chin back. Straighten out through the neck. Oftentimes, people complain that with a side plank, their neck gets really sore, which makes sense because if we lack the shoulder stability, if our position here isn't right, then the muscles that come up and insert into the neck are going to be trying really hard to compensate for that, and we can get a lot of tension in the neck, which isn't comfortable. It can lead to headaches. It can lead to just like general pain. All right, so we're going to protect the neck, tuck the chin back, and I'm going to push my elbow into the floor, push my shoulder away from my ear, stabilize. Then I'm going to brace my core. Check out our video on that if you're not sure what I mean. We're creating tension in the abdomen to stabilize. And now from here, I'm going to take this bottom hip and lift it straight up. This is our basic side plank. Okay, we're holding tight. I don't want to see with this movement that our top hip rotates forward as we push up. So from here, if I come up, we're not going to let this top body rotate. We're keeping everything in line, almost like this bottom hip is pushing forwards. If we feel good with this, we can make it a little bit more challenging by straightening out the legs. Let me scoot back so we don't lose my footsies with this one. So from here, same, I'm going to keep a straight line from my shoulder to my hip to my knees. One leg in front, one leg behind for this variation. And same thing, strong shoulder pushing away from the ear. Tuck the chin, brace the core. We're going to lift that bottom hip, not letting the top hip rotate forwards, keeping that bottom hip instead pushing forwards. And we can do this as a hold. We can also do side planks as a pulse. Up to you in your programming, whatever suits your goals better. Lastly, we can add on to this by stacking the feet, making it a bit more challenging here. So same setup, shoulder away from the ear, find that stability. Protect the neck, chin towards the chest, getting long through the back of the neck. And then I'm going to brace my core and lift my bottom hip up, holding nice and tight. Give it a try. Check out some of our other videos. There are a ton of fun variations on side planks that you can do. If you're struggling with your elbow, with your shoulder, don't be shy to put a cushion under there, get a little bit more comfy, or elevate the arm if we need to regress even further. All of those are totally safe, totally okay options to do. Give it a try. Let us know how it goes in the comments.